Do you want to speak English fluently? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you, my friend. Hello and welcome back to my channel English Wala YouTuber. My name is Shiva. I am from Uttar Pradesh near Prayagraj. I hope you are doing well and learning English language great way. In today's video, I am going to share with you all one important topic which is really going to be helpful for you to speak English. I believe that you know it will also help you to become a fluent speaker. गाइज यू नो, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं मेरा वीडियो टॉपिक पर रहता है। जैसे कि कोई भी टॉपिक लेते हैं तो उसमें आपको कुछ सेंटेंसेस सीखने के लिए मिलेंगे। मेरा मेन मकसद है कि जब हम टॉपिक पर कोई भी वीडियो बनाएंगे तो आप लोगों को मतलब कुछ सेंटेंस मिलेगा, कहाँ कैसे बोलते हैं, कहाँ कैसे क्या बोलना है, तो ये सब आपको सीखने को मिलेगा। सो गाइज, दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर हु इज रियली बिगिनर। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। सो माय टुडेज टॉपिक इज लैंग्वेज। यस गाइज, लैंग्वेज, व्हाट इज द लैंग्वेज and why is necessary? So you know guys, language, I am not saying that English, only English language, any language, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, English, so any kind of language it may be. So what is the language? First of all, you know, language is a medium of interact to people, make conversation. तो किसी से बातचीत करने के लिए, अपनी ओपिनियन रखने के लिए हम लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। किसी भी लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करने से हम क्या बोल रहे हैं और अगला क्या बोल रहा है वो बात अच्छी से समझ में आता है। तो इसलिए हम लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। सो टुडे माय टॉपिक इज लैंग्वेज। सो language, if you know English language, so I think English is a global language, so that is why nowadays people they want to learn this language. Suppose if you want to go other state, so I think your native language different and other state language different. So if you want to ask something, so how can be possible to understand what they are saying and what are you asking? So you can't understand. So that is why when it comes to language, so then we try to explain in their own language, so then they can understand. But I think in our country many kind of language is going on. So it's not possible to learn every language. So if we learn English language, then we can understand and also we can express our thought, what it has in our mind, and then opposite person, as I told you, nowadays every state people they want to learn this language and also they know. So that is why if you are asking in English language, so then they can understand and you can get whatever you want. जैसे आप यहाँ से कहीं तमिलनाडु या कहीं आंध्र प्रदेश चले गए तो कहने का मतलब हम लोगों का नेटिव लैंग्वेज हिंदी है, तो फिर वहाँ जाने के बाद यदि वो तमिल या कर्नाटक या कहीं अदर स्टेट में जाते हो तो मतलब वहाँ का लैंग्वेज अलग है, तो हम कैसे समझ पाएंगे कि वो क्या बोल रहे हैं। यदि हमें थोड़ा भी बहुत इंग्लिश की नॉलेज है तो हम डायरेक्टली कह सकते हैं आई वांट दिस थिंग, आई वांट दैट थिंग, एंड देन दैट पर्सन दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी इजी. Actually, nowadays English everywhere is available and every person they want to learn. Earlier time it was not possible. Rarely people they want to learn. But now this Gen Z generation they are very curious to learn this language. So that is why English is very important, guys. If you learn English language, so definitely you will get more benefit. Not only making conversation, not only talking. I think nowadays everywhere English is available. Suppose if you want to watch mobile phone, if you want to run laptop, so everywhere English is available. So if you don't know English, so how can be possible to understand? मेरा कहने का मतलब है जैसे हम कोई टॉपिक पर वीडियो बनाते हैं तो उसमें कुछ न कुछ आपको सीखने को ज़रूर मिलेगा. हम नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि सब सीख जाएंगे, लेकिन कुछ बातें ऐसी है, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो हैं आपको सीखने को मिल जाएगा. सो थिंग इज़ दैट सपोज यू आर वाचिंग माय वीडियो एंड देन फ्रॉम स्क्रैच टू लास्ट एट द एंड, if you totally watched my video, so then one sentence or two sentence or some of vocabulary you will get and also you can remember. I am sure if you watch whole video from start to end, so then you can get some of important thing. So that is why guys, first of all you try to watch whatever I am shooting, I am making video, so try to watch. So then 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, if you are continuously watching video, so then it may be habit. So then you can understand day by day. Otherwise I think 1 day, 2 days you watched my video and then again you skip, so it's not possible to understand and learn. So that is why whatever you want to watch, I am not saying that only my video you should watch, any video whatever you like, so then you try to watch every day 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so then you can start to absorb what is the meaning that, what is the meaning this, and then after you can understand. So already you start to like that video and that thing, that sentences, so day by day your confidence level will be increased. So in this video my topic is language. So language, nowadays English is very famous and people they like, so that is why I am here only and only for English language purpose. If I speak something, if I am telling something, so if you are watching, so definitely you can learn something. So language is very important and English is a international language, so that is why we should learn English language and we should speak, so then after our life and our future will be bright. Suppose if you are speaking somewhere and who is uneducated, so definitely they can understand, they can think that he is educated person, and also you can face whatever some of other people speaking in English, so that time you can understand what they are saying. So that is the language. Otherwise you want to learn Gujarati, Marathi, Telugu and Udiya, so I think every language it's not possible to learn. One language, two language you can learn, but I think if you learn only two language instead of English, so I think it's not possible to survive everywhere. But whatever your native language, instead of English language if you are learning, so then you can survive everywhere. And then no need to learn other language if you have good knowledge in English. So that is why guys, we should learn English language, then after we can achieve, we can become success and we can make our future bright. So guys, this is what I wanted to share in this my video. I hope you liked my video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.